Thanks for the feedback, Homestyle Ranch, but he definitely doesn't have a disease where he's constantly hungry. Here he is finishing off a bowl of sprouted oats with almond butter. On the way home from music class, he had a pouch, some blueberries, and a little snack bar. Then for lunch, he had a heaping serving of lentils, some chicken, had a couple of spoonfuls of cottage cheese even, and then asked for some more lentils, and then kept asking for more, so we made some sweet potatoes. And after his nap, he had a Mama Chia pouch with some freeze-dried strawberries and apples. And then for dinner, he had a couple servings of buckwheat. I'm surprised at how much he loves it, but he is Ukrainian. And then some carrots as well, and finished off the sweet potatoes. He is in the 99th percentile for height, so he's a growing boy.